Here we are again. We're going to look at the bridging strategy this time for addition. Now, this one is the tricky one, along with the bridging subtraction too. But we'll start with addition, which is what we've been mainly doing in class so far. And we'll start with this sum here. Get the pen. Okay. So the sum is 78 plus 8 equals. Now when you see that sum, say in a test for example, it's going to be written like this for you. 78 plus 8 equals something plus something plus something else equals answer. Okay, so what we're doing is actually bridging to 10. Here's what we need to do. We look at this number. Okay, this is why we've done so much work on partners to 10. So when I say 8, in your head should come up a little 2. Okay, so down here, if we look down the bottom here, we're going to keep our original number in the beginning. Okay, and I've said 8, partner to 8, you know that that's 2. So what's happening here is that you're actually making a bridge. Okay, that's a bridge to 10 because you know that 8 and 2 is 10. You've already got 7 10s here. One more 10 equals 80.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, my phone's ringing and the cleaners are coming. Alright, so you've got 80 there because you've got 8 and 2, which equals 10, and you've already got 70. Now, you've got to look back again at this number. Okay, so you've taken 2, if we go back up here, to make our bridge to 10, we took 2 away from 8. So we need to figure out what's left over. Okay, and you can do that fairly easily in your head. You can count on. So you know you've got 2, and we count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you need to draw it, that's fine. You can go back and count your little dots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And that's the last number that we put down here. Okay, what we can do now is build another bridge to check our answer. Okay, and our answer for this bridge should equal this one. Now that all looks really tricky, but it's so that in your head you can quickly think, well, I know that the partner to 8 is 2. So that makes this into 80. I can take 2 out of 8 and make that 6. So then I have, and I'll use a different colour here, I'm getting a bit crazy. Then I've got 80 and 6, which gives us an answer of 86 up here. Okay, bit tricky. I might do another one. So I'll clear this off. I'll have to see how to clear it off. I think I'm going to have to rub it off. Here we go. No, not rubbing. It's only rubbing that off. Sorry guys, this is a new program. Here we go. We'll try another one, just as a sample for you. Now we can do bigger numbers with bridging as well, which we've done, so we might do a bigger one. We'll choose to do a bigger one. I'll get my black pen back out. Alright, here we go. So I might just put the sum down here and we can do the working out up above. So we'll take a bigger number this time, like 100 and let's say 43 plus 9. Okay, and you know that you're going to get 3 answer boxes or spaces, so it's going to be something plus something else, and then equals. Okay, you've got your 143, so you need to look at the tens here and ask yourself, what's going to make a bridge to 10? So that's the first number that we put here, 143. So our bridge to 10 is going to be this number here. So if I say 3 to you, you should just about automatically know now that the partner to 10 is 7. Okay, because that's a 10. Now we've already got 140 here, so this section now becomes 150, because you know that 140 plus 10 more is 150. Now we need to go back and know that, well, we borrowed 7 from this 9 to make up our 10 over here, so we've got to find out what's left over. And like we did in the last example, you can either count up, so you can put 7 in your head and count 8, 9, or you can do a quick one in your head that's like this, 9 take away 7, and I hope that you end up with this answer, which is 2. If you're not sure, you can always check it with another bridge. Okay, so the answer down there is 7 plus 2, and that would be 9. Okay, which is right. So, you've got your 150 and your 9, which is here. So, I'm going to write the answer up here, which makes things a little bit messy, I know. So 150 plus 9 is 159. You can hear that. So once we get the hang of this, it's much, much easier to do big sums in your head, even trickier ones than this, than by using our fingers, counting on and back. So that's addition. I'll do a subtraction one for you. It's a bit tricky. Keep practicing at home. Okay, come and see me if you have problems. Okay, good luck.